I can normally make myself sneeze by just doing that.
Well, that would be ideal.
Yeah. Hi, Alex.
Hello, Mark.
I always feel a bit like I'm coming to see the headmaster in this room.
Thank you.
Sneeze. Fastest wins. Your time starts now.
Like an actual sneeze?
Yes, please.
How do you force yourself to sneeze?
Yeah. You wanted to see some big sneezes.
Yeah. And I should say, early doors, I want a genuine sneeze. Who should we see first?
I guess we're going to try to see the involuntary spasms of Aisling, Bob and Sally. Fastest wins. Your time starts now.
Sneeze, fast as wind, your time starts now.
Right. I've recorded half a second.
Yes, but can I tell you that I already did a sneeze before that and I would like it counted? Is that done?
Yeah, I'll just take the hanky and...
Some spit there.
And when we analyse the footage, were they
Yeah.
definitely sneezes?
Yeah.
Do it again. And was that a real one?
Yeah.
These are all real sneezes.
Everything's real sneeze. What is real?
What brings on sneezing? Jumping really high? Or sticking the tail of this up his nose. Will that make me sneeze? I don't feel sneezy. White pepper always seems stronger to me. Yes! There was pepper coming out for weeks. Yeah.
So weird, isn't it? I was just so, like everyone, so thrilled when he actually sneezed.
It took him 10 minutes and 1 second.
10 minutes, wow.
Amazing. You two need to explain yourselves.
You can't prove mine wasn't real.
I can't prove it.
No.
Yeah.
I can
None of you can
I can
prove-
ask you to
How?
tell me the truth.
Where is the doctor?
oh.
Show me the doctor who tells me that's not a sneeze.
I said, you're the worst liar I've seen since I was a teacher.
Let's see how the twins, Mark and Nish, got on.
I can normally make myself sneeze by just doing that.
Well, that would be ideal.
Yeah.
I've got hay fever. You got any pollen on you? These flowers must be out of pollen. This is very undignified.
I found some pepper, but I don't know whether it really works. No, not really.
I need dust, Horne. Or flour.
There's a Hoover bag full of dust.
Oh, that is too much. I surrender. My nose is burning quite badly, and I feel a bit dizzy and sick.
Oh, but you can see why this isn't the one that they ended up doing at parties. No, I don't think it's going to come. So if I do sneeze any time the rest of the day, I'll try and send you a video of it.
So Nish failed.
Well, he gave up on 10 minutes, 1 second before Bob's came out. You may have just missed it by a second.
Oh. I think we're going to have to drill down into... within, like, 2 or 3 seconds of being set the task, Mark fell straight to his default technique. I believe I'm quoting correctly. This normally works. And my question to you is, where did you develop the technique? Why did you develop the technique?
The real story is that, like Nish, I suffer from hay fever, and sometimes with hay fever, your nose is constantly tickly, you can't quite sneeze. So I evolved a technique for basically forcing a sneeze. But I was wandering up and down the house doing that for... it was... Well, Alex...
40 minutes?
Yeah. It was...
Mark did promise us a sneeze within 2 to 3 working days. And within 48 hours, I did receive a video message.
OK.
And then I received 7 more video messages over the next week. Says he's got quite a distinctive sneeze. Here it is.
That's not a sneeze.
Very drunk in that one. Yeah. So it's up to you, Greg, to decide which were the real sneezes. We had Mark after 48 hours and just in front of him, Bob after 10 minutes.
OK, well, Nish ruled himself out early doors. Both of the women did...
Sally and Aisling.
Oh, I sometimes group the men together as well, but if you want me to go individual, both of the chicks, Sally and Aisling... Sorry, hot chicks.
I'll actually take that one. OK.
Sally and Aisling did fake sneezes. I would bet Alex's life on that. And, obviously, Bob nailed it.
So 5 to Bob, 4 to Mark, none to anyone else.
Correct.
OK, there we go. We've finished.
For more Taskmaster, subscribe now.